pretty well. I had never done delivery in Wallace, North Carolina, and I was like, well, why not? Because I'm here all the time. I know the place, and there's not a lot of going here and there and everywhere in Wallace because it's a small town. Unlike those times I went to Wilmington to deliver, and there's a whole lot of everywhere that you could be going. The beach part, the downtown, I mean everywhere, and it's so big. So far my day has gone pretty well. I only had to wait. I think I went inside of a dollar store, little store called Super Dollar. By the time I could really find a pair of black bottoms, which is what I was looking for work, hey, that was it pretty much. So it worked out well for it to be my first delivery here in Wallace. I did forget the straw, and a straw is important to me, you all, and I hate when someone forgets the straw. So I didn't want to be that person, so I did message them. I told them thank you for thank you for everything, and I did leave the straw on the cooler that was out back because that's where they wanted me to go. Some like for you to go, leave it at the door. Some don't want to see you. Some, they might change their mind the last minute. And so I did tell them I left it at the door. Yep, I left it at the door. Oh gosh, I about forgot. Okay, I'm about to get gas. I rarely drive the Kia, so I never remember where the gas tank. Okay, I'm gonna get some gas, and then I'm gonna head to Dollar General so I can get a plug in because I don't see one for me to charge my phone. Okay, I guess it's a slow day, y'all. It's been a minute. In fact, it is. I had to have that one delivered by 3:22. I think my arrival time was 3:18, so I did pretty good with that one. But since then, it's like 4:10 now, so I know that these smaller towns are definitely slower. I will probably try it again on like a Friday evening or Saturday, when people want to just chillax. Pretty much when I want to chillax, but I might just have to get out there to hustle. I'm doing this, by the way, in case you're wondering, why is the teacher out there doing that and she's married? Well, you never know anyone's situation. If I haven't told you, then you don't know my situation. You can look back in some of my other videos to see though. But yeah, I didn't want to take any money out of the small little bit of stash I have along with my paycheck for Christmas. So with Christmas gifts, I wanted to make money on the side, so a little side money, so hopefully if I don't see a pickup pretty soon with the small towns, because I'm gonna try another small town too probably this week, but if I don't see one, if I don't see that the small town is improving, then I might have to go back to the the cities, the larger towns. So we'll see. Yep, well, I'm here. Let me show you where I am. I'm here at Food Lion, so I'm going to go in there, pick up a couple of things that were on my list, and I'm going to get out of here. Later.